Have you ever wondered whether the law of attraction and the law of assumption mean the same thing or are two different things? The terms law of attraction and law of assumption are frequently used interchangeably. Both are founded on the belief that our ideas and beliefs may influence our reality, but there are some key distinctions. In this video, we'll look at the distinctions between these two laws and help you pick which one to apply. What exactly is the law of attraction? The principle of the law of attraction claims that our thoughts and beliefs create our reality. According to this theory, focusing on positive thoughts and beliefs will attract positive events and outcomes into your life. Likewise, focusing on negative ideas and beliefs will attract negative experiences and consequences. With the introduction of the book and documentary film The Secret in the early 2000s, the law of attraction gained popularity. This theory has been utilized by many people to realize their dreams and achieve success in various aspects of their lives. How may the law of attraction be used? To apply the law of attraction, you must focus on positive ideas and beliefs. These are some starting points. 1. Set clear goals. You must first know exactly what you want before you can manifest it. 2. Write out your goals and be as detailed as possible. 3. Visualize. Shut your eyes and imagine yourself attaining your goals. See yourself living the life you desire. 4. Feel the emotions as you visualize. Experience the emotions that come with reaching your goals. Experience the enthusiasm, joy, and thankfulness. 5. Take action. The law of attraction is considerably more than simply positive thinking. You must also take action to achieve your objectives. Take inspired action that feels good and moves you toward your goals. Before we continue, you can get your very own free copy of the best-selling Law of Attraction Planner down in the link below. What exactly is the law of assumption? The law of assumption asserts that our assumptions about ourselves and our surroundings shape our reality. According to this notion, if you believe you are successful and deserving, you will create a world that reflects that belief. Similarly, if you believe you are unworthy and unsuccessful, your reality will reflect it. The law of assumption is based on the teachings of spiritual teacher Neville Goddard, who wrote extensively about the power of the imagination. According to Goddard, the key to adopting the law of assumption is to focus on your intended outcome and assume that it has already occurred. How does the law of assumption work? To use the law of assumption, you must focus on your assumptions about yourself and your surroundings. These are some starting points. 1. Identify your preconceptions. Examine your views about yourself and the world. Are they positive or negative? Do they help you achieve your objectives or hinder you? 2. Modify your assumptions. Work on changing your negative assumptions once you've discovered them. Begin by presuming that you are accomplished, deserving, and capable of reaching your goals. 3. Visualize. Visualize yourself attaining your goals as you adjust your assumptions. Imagine yourself living the life you want to live in the end. According to Goddard, the key to applying the law of assumption is to live in the end. This entails assuming that your wish has already occurred and acting accordingly. Which is better, the law of attraction or the law of assumption? The laws of attraction and assumption are both strong tools for manifesting your ideal life. There are, however, some significant differences between the two. Positive thinking and visualization are key to the law of attraction. It's about forming a clear picture of what you want and experiencing the emotions associated with reaching your goals. The law of attraction may be used to generate material goods and accomplishments, as well as to improve relationships and overall well-being. The law of assumption, on the other hand, is concerned with assumptions and beliefs. It involves altering your thoughts and assumptions about yourself and the universe in order to create a new reality. The law of assumption has the potential to bring about profound and long-lasting transformation, as well as spiritual growth and inner peace. So, Which one should you go with? The answer is both. The laws of attraction and assumption do not contradict one another. They operate best when together. You may, for example, employ the law of attraction to build a clear image of what you desire and to feel the emotions associated with accomplishing your goals. Then, using the law of assumption, you may alter your ideas and assumptions about yourself and the universe in order to create a new reality that corresponds to your desires. Finally, the key to success with both the law of attraction and the law of assumption is concentrating on the desired outcome and taking action toward it. You can build the life you genuinely want and deserve by doing so.